Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Azhara Latifah. I'm from State Islamic University of North Sumatra. Today, I would like to present my technology integrated lesson plan entitled My Daily Routine. This lesson is designed for English language learners and focus on helping students learn daily routine vocabulary and use the simple present tense correctly. To support, I integrate several digital tools and learning technologies based on the TBI framework and the summer model. In this presentation, I would like to explain about learning objective, technology integration, LMS functions, technology categories, and reflections on lesson implementation. Okay, the lesson objective of these lessons are first, students will be able to identify and use at least 6 daily routine vocabulary correctly. Second, students will be able to write 5 to 8 simple sentences about their daily routines using the simple present tense. And the third, students will be able to create one-page digital infographic using Canva about their own daily activities. Okay, in this slide explains how the TBI framework is applied in the lesson. TBI stands for technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge. For technological knowledge, I use Canva, YouTube, and Wordwall as learning tools. For pedagogical knowledge, I apply project-based learning, individual text, and interactive practice activities. And for content knowledge, the lessons focus on daily routine vocabulary and the simple present tense. The integration of these three areas creates meaningful learning experience. For example, students learn the language content through engaging activities, practice using interactive technology, and then demonstrate their understanding by creating a digital infographic. Therefore, technology is not only used as a tool but also as a support for effective teaching and learning. And the next slide shows how the learning tools are made using the summer model. The first tool is YouTube. YouTube is used to present vocabulary and learning materials. It is categorized as substitution because it replaces traditional explanation with video-based instruction. The second tool is Wordwall. Wordwall is used for vocabulary practice and interactive exercise. It belongs to augmentation level because it provides additional features such as instant feedback, scoring systems, and engaging activities. And the third tool is Canva. Canva is used for the final project where students create a digital infographic about their daily routines. This activity is categorized as redefinition because students can create and share digital products that would be difficult to accomplish through traditional paper-based activities. In this lesson, several digital tools and learning management systems are utilized. The LMS used is Google Classroom. Google Classroom serves several important functions. First, it is used for material distribution, allowing students to access learning resources anytime. Second, it provides clear instructions for classroom activities and assignments. Third, students can submit their work directly to the platform. Fourth, teachers can provide feedback efficiently. Finally, the LMS supports communication between teachers and students throughout the learning process. In addition to the LMS, YouTube, Wordwall, and Canva are used to support different learning activities. Another reason why Google Classroom is selected is because it helps teachers organize learning activities in one place. Students don't need to search for materials from different platforms because everything can be accessed through the classroom page. For example, the teacher can upload learning materials, provide links to YouTube videos, share virtual activities, and collect Canva projects through the same platform. This makes the learning process more efficient and easier to manage. Furthermore, Google Classroom supports flexible learning. Students can review materials at their own pace, which is especially helpful when they need additional practice or when they miss a lesson. LMS not only supports classroom management but also promotes independent learning and responsibility among students. This slide presents the technology categories used in the lesson. YouTube belongs to the category of instructional media because it delivers educational content through videos. Wall belongs to the category of instructional interactive because it allows students to participate actively in quizzes and learning games. Canva belongs to the category of multimedia creation tools because students use it to design and create digital products. Google Classrooms function as a learning management system that organizes learning materials, assignments, and communication. By combining different technology categories, students experience various ways of learning, practicing, creating, and sharing knowledge. This slide presents the anticipated benefits and challenges of the lesson. There are several benefits. First, technology can increase student engagement and motivation. Second, students can improve vocabulary retention through interactive practice. Third, technology supports active learning and participation. Fourth, students can develop digital literacy skills that are important in the modern world. Finally, Canva encourages creativity and self-expression. However, there are also some challenges. One challenge is internet connectivity issues, which may affect access to online resources. Another challenge is device availability because not all students may have equal access to technology. Students may also have different levels of digital literacy. In addition, time management can be difficult during project activities. Finally, some Canva features may require additional guidance for beginners. As a future English teacher, I believe that technology shouldn't be used simply because it is available. Instead, technology should be integrated with clear learning objectives and meaningful activities. The TBI-II framework reminds teachers to balance technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. At the same time, the summer model helps teachers evaluate whether technology is truly enhancing learning experience. These skills are important for students in the 21st century and can help prepare them for future academic and professional environments. For the conclusion, this lesson integrates technology meaningfully through the TBI-II framework and the summer model. The use of YouTube, Wordwall, Canva, and Google Classroom supports language learning while also developing students' digital skills. This lesson encourages students to learn actively, practice independently, and create meaningful products. Okay, I think that's all for my presentations. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.